Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Toppers World. In today's tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about complex sentences. If you are a beginner in IELTS and facing a lot of hardships in order to get 7 band in IELTS writing, whether it is academic or general, this video is specially made for you, and you cannot afford to ignore this, because in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to frame complex sentences, and I'm sure that this video is going to be a big change for you in your IELTS writing. So let's see how can we write complex sentences and also learn that why they are very important in IELTS writing. So let's see. Complex sentences play a very important role in English writing. If you are getting 5 band or 4.5 band in IELTS writing and you want to switch to 6.5 or 7 band, then you have to learn how to write complex sentences. So let's learn it. In every complex sentence there are 2 parts. The first one we call principal clause. The first one is principal clause, and the second is subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Clause means a part of sentence. Clause is a part of sentence, and the sentence which is having both principal and subordinate clauses, they are known as complex sentences. So first of all, let's learn what is principal clause. So first of all, let's learn what the principal clause is. Principal clause is also known as independent clause. Why it is called independent clause? Because it does not depend upon any other part of the main sentence. It has ability to stand alone, means this is complete sentence in itself. It makes complete sense. I mean to say that you get full understanding what the student or writer wants to say. It has subject, its own verb, its own object, and it is a simple sentence. We can say it is a simple sentence which has complete sense to inform the message of the sentence to the reader. Now look at this example. Wherever you go, you can always find beauty. You can always find beauty. This is a complete sense and complete sentence and give complete information to us. If you read this part only, wherever you go, then what happens? Wherever you go is providing us incomplete information. Wherever you go, this is not giving us complete sense. So what happens then? Wherever you go, what is next? You want to know what is the other part of the sentence, because this part is not giving us complete information. So you need some more information to let me correct the spellings of wherever. So you need something more to know about it. So this part is which is not giving us complete information, and this part depends upon some other part. So this is called dependent clause. This is dependent or subordinate clause, and you can always, this is complete, you can always, this part, this can always find beauty. You can always find beauty. This is complete sentence. So this is principal clause, or we can say independent. This is independent clause. So independent clause are principal clauses which is giving us complete sense, complete meaning. Dependent part is that which is incomplete and you want to know what happens next. So that is our dependent clause. Now I am showing you more examples how you can write complex sentences for IELTS writing, and I am taking examples of those sentences which can be useful to you in IELTS writing. So let's see those sentences now. Now look at this pair of simple sentences. Both are simple sentences. He was wealthy, he was unhappy. Now both sentences opposite to each other, means one is positive thing, healthy, and unhappy, this is negative or contradictory, because most of the people assume that those who have wealth, those who are rich, they should be or they are supposed to be happy people. But here it's contrast information. This is contrast information because one is positiveness and second one is negativeness. So I am going to combine both sentences with the help of a word that is known as although. Now these two sentences are combined together with the help of word although. Although I placed before the first sentence, although he was wealthy, he was still unhappy. He was still means here besides that, means इसके बावजूद, instead or beside of this, he is unhappy, he was unhappy. Now look at these sentences. Prices goes up, customers buy less. So these two sentences I am going to combine with the help of a conjunction called whenever. So what we have to do, we just put, I am going to put up whenever here, like whenever prices goes up. So whenever prices goes up, this is a principal class, because you want to know what happens then when prices go up, then what happens. Whenever prices goes up, customers buy less. Customers buy less. So this is our complex sentence using linking word whenever. Now look at this sentence. This is beautiful sentence. Evergreen trees are a symbol of fertility. Blank. They do not die in winter. Now think about any linking word or any conjunction that you can fit over here. Evergreen trees are a symbol of fertility. Dash, they do not die in winter. So I am giving you two choices. One is because, second one is as. Which one fits here the best? Let's read it once again using both. Evergreen trees are a symbol of fertility because they do not die in winter. Absolutely right, because this part is the giving reason. This first part is the reason. Trees are symbol of fertility. This is reason and this is effect. They do not die in winter. And evergreen trees are a symbol of fertility as they do not die in winter. This also fits here. So either of you can use here to complete the sentence or complete the both part of the sentences. And this is your complex sentence which will help you to fetch high band score in IELTS writing. She was younger, she believed in fairy tales. Both sentences now can be combined by using a linking word that is related to time, which shows the time, and it can be better linked with word when. When she was younger, comma, she believed in fairy tales. So both sentences combined with when. I really didn't like the movie, even though acting was good. So this word even though is a contrast, it's showing contrast. I didn't like the movie, this is negative side, even though acting was good, this is positive side, and both sentences combined with even though. It can also be combined with the help of although. Although the acting was good, I really didn't like the movie. So although the acting was good, this will become the first part. I really didn't like the movie. This is very good example for IELTS writing. There are several reasons, full stop. Children should not be punished. So no, both sentences are independent. and can be combined together, there are several reasons why children should not be punished. So now this became complete sentence with principal clause and subordinate clause. So this is your complex sentence. Students, simply writing complex sentences will not work to get 7 band. You need to write more variety of sentences, and for that purpose I am going to make next video on how to write passive sentences. They are also very important in IELTS writing. You need to write complex sentences, passive sentences, conditional sentences, and some other types, so which I am going to make the videos for in the coming days. So I hope that you like this video. If you like, then subscribe my channel and share this video to your other friends.